Hello everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today, we're talking about Cadillac's 2025 CT5-V Blackwing, a luxury sports sedan that's redefining performance for the brand. This car has won Cadillac a 10 Best Award 3 years in a row, and it's easy to see why. At its heart, the CT5-V Blackwing has a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that pumps out an astonishing 668 horsepower. This isn't just a car, it's a thrill ride on wheels. You have two transmission choices, a classic 6-speed manual for a more hands-on driving experience, or a 10-speed automatic that takes acceleration to the next level, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Add Cadillac's performance traction management and a limited slip differential, and you get a sports sedan that handles with precision, even at high speeds. The 2025 design brings an aggressive new front end with a sharper grille, stacked headlights, and bold cutlines. It comes in new colors like Deep Space, Typhoon, and Drift, adding to the distinct look. And as you approach, the LED lights offer a unique animation, setting the stage for a truly special driving experience. Inside, Cadillac has taken the tech game up a notch. The old 10-inch touchscreen has been replaced by a stunning 33-inch curved display that merges the infotainment and instrument cluster. This Google-powered display is packed with features like Google Maps, Google Assistant, and performance apps that track metrics like tire temperature, power output, and more. For those who love their creature comforts, Cadillac has included ventilated, massaging leather seats, ambient lighting, and a head-up display, making every drive a luxurious experience. The CT5-V Blackwing also comes standard with a 16-speaker AKG sound system, wireless charging, onboard Wi-Fi, and both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, Cadillac's 9K resolution display and the performance data recorder make it perfect for tech-savvy drivers who enjoy tracking their performance on and off the track. With a starting price of $99.90, the CT5-V Blackwing is Cadillac's ultimate offering for drivers who crave high-performance luxury. So, what are your thoughts? Is the CT5-V Blackwing the ultimate sports sedan? Comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews.